Time, Stakeholders Programs, Pay 1 for Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. School as a formal agency of education. With purpose, socio-cultural role, location, infrastructure, time, stakeholders programs. Introduction. A school is the most important formal agency of education. It is a place where planned and structured learning happens under the guidance of trained teachers. It plays a key role in the overall development of children and helps in shaping a good society and nation. One purpose of the school: educational and socio-cultural. Educational purpose: imparts systematic knowledge in subjects like languages, science, maths, etc. Develop skills such as reading, writing, problem solving, and critical thinking. Prepares students for higher education and jobs. Socio-cultural purpose: teaches values, culture, and traditions of society. Promotes unity in diversity, helps students understand and respect different religions, languages, and communities. Helps children become disciplined, cooperative, and responsible citizens. National integration. Promotes respect for the Constitution, national symbols, democracy, and fundamental rights. Celebrates national days, local festivals, and cultural events. Though location of the school. Schools should be located in areas that are safe, accessible, and peaceful. In rural areas, schools are built near villages so children can easily attend. In urban areas, they are located in residential zones or community centers. Government policy, like RT Act 2009, recommends schools within a 18-kilometer radius for primary classes. 3. Infrastructure of the school. A good school must have classrooms with benches, blackboards, ventilation, and lights. Library for books, newspapers, and study materials. Playground for games and physical development. Toilets separate for boys and girls with hygiene. Drinking water safe and clean. Laboratories, especially in science and computers, secondary level. Midday meal facility for nutritional support in government schools. Ramps and facilities for children with disabilities. Digital tools, computers, smart boards, internet in modern schools. Char time, school schedule. Timetable is fixed and structured. Usually runs 5-6 hours per day, 5-6 days a week. Divided into periods for different subjects. Includes prayer, lunch break, sports, and cultural periods. Academic year may include 2 terms, with holidays and exams. Part: stakeholders in a school. Stakeholders are people or groups who are connected to or affected by the school's work. A. Primary stakeholders. Students center of all teaching and learning. Teachers guide, mentor, and role models. Parents, guardians support learning at home. School Management Committee, SMC, especially in government schools under RTE. Principal headmaster leads the school. B. Secondary stakeholders. Government and Education Department policy, funding, monitoring. Community members, villagers, local leaders. NGOs and private organizations help in school improvement. Local panchayat municipality may support infrastructure. Alumni ex-students who contribute back to school. 6. Programs conducted in schools, Indian context. Academic programs. As per syllabus, CBSE State Board ICSE. Regular assessments and board exams. Co-curricular activities. Art, music, dance, sports, quizzes, debates, scouts guides. Develop creativity and confidence. Health and nutrition programs. Midday meal scheme. Regular health checkups. Clean drinking water and hygiene education. Environmental awareness programs. Tree plantation, Swachh Bharat activities, eco clubs. Observing Earth Day, Water Day, etc. Social awareness campaigns. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Anti-child labor, anti-drug campaigns. Voter awareness and road safety campaigns. Special programs. Inclusive education for CWSN, children with special needs. Bridge courses for dropouts. Digital learning through PM eVidya, Diksha. 7. Indian concept of school as an institution. In Indian tradition, Gurukula system was the ancient form of schooling, learning through living with the teacher. Tagore's Shantiniketan blended nature, culture, and creativity. Mahatma Gandhi's Nai Talim promoted education through productive work. Modern schools now combine these ideas with scientific and digital learning. Conclusion. A school is not just a building, it is a temple of learning where children grow into responsible citizens. It plays a vital role in shaping the mind, body, and values of future generations. With active support from all stakeholders, schools can bring positive change in society and help in building a strong and united India.